Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. This is Miss Irene. We are making activities box. You can use the activities box to organize your books, magazines, toys, mail, and other stuff. The craft is for all children and families. Enjoy and have fun. For this project, you will need older magazines, recycled packaging boxes or shoe boxes, scissors, and glue. Okay, let's start. Basically, cover the recycled box with the magazine pages. Cut out pictures from the magazines by content and then glue them to the box. Today we are sharing a few activities box ideas. First, we are creating a book or magazine box. Prepare a box that is strong and big enough to hold your books and magazines. Cut out pictures you like from the magazines and glue them on the box. You can also cut out words like "I love books" or "reading is fun" and glue them on the front of the box. And you can put your books inside the box. Second, we are using a shoe box for making a recipe box for Mom. Find food and dessert pictures from the store flyers or magazines. Cut out the pictures and glue them on the box for decoration. You can decorate inside the box and also outside. And you can keep cooking books and your favorite recipes inside the box as well. You can cut out letters that spells as "Moments Made Sweets" or "I love Mom's cooking" or "Food for thoughts." Next, you can make a mailbox. You decorate the mailbox with interesting pictures such as birds, animals, flowers, fruits, and put the mail inside. The last one is the toy box. You can decorate a toy box with interesting pictures and newspaper and organize your toys inside your toy box. Make your room neat and tidy. Thank you for joining Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure you share your activity box online and tag us using I Love HPL. Thank you for watching. See you next time.